Hello, welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald, and today I'm going to show you a very simple arrangement really that's ideal for the home, and it's going to be using a pin holder. So this is an ideal thing for having for home use, but even for function work actually as well. They are a little bit expensive, but these Kensins really, you'll have them for the whole of your life. So I'm going to use this nice dish, which I really like. We're going to use our pin holder, and the flowers I've got these in the garden and I really wanted to use them for a while, are these beautiful marguerites. And this is like the normal white one. I do have lots of little yellow ones as well, but these ones are a little bit hardier, they can stay out all year, and I just think they're absolutely beautiful. So we're going to basically make an arrangement that's toning with the silver and the white for today's design. So I've got my marguerites, I've also got a little touch of iris. What else do we have? A little bit of lamb's ears as well, and a couple of Bergenia leaves to go in our design. So this is going to be a simple arrangement. Because the flowers are in water, they're going to last really well. It's the type of arrangement you can easily make and enjoy making, and then enjoy having it in your home. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is we need to add water to our dish. This is really important. And you just want to add water until they really come up to the top of the pins. If you can go deeper, then that's even better. That will be better for the whole arrangement. Now don't worry about any little bits that are in there. Once you've made your design, you can actually just do a little water change and make it so that it's happy and it's fine. So I'm looking at this container, and what we need is we need a little bit of height. And we're going to get our height really from using our iris leaves. And you just want to put them straight down on the pin and then just draw them to where you want. So we've got the width, we've got the height, and our first main element is going to be a flower with a little bit of height. Now, if you've got any foliage that's damaged or not in good condition, then you want to take them off now. Now, this is actually because I've went out and picked it and conditioned it. It's really got very nice foliage. But if the foliage was, as I say, damaged or yellow, then you might want to just change that. So what I'm doing is I'm just drawing this forward so that we're starting to make a little bit of a triangle with our flowers. Now, before we go too far with the flowers, we want to put in our structure with our Bergenia. So I'm going to put two at the back here, and this one that is further back is just going to take your eye through the arrangement. So this coming forward, this going back, this is giving us depth in our design. And for my lamb's ears, I want to keep that so that it's really more to the front. I think these are so pretty, and we don't want to lose them really. What we can do is add one or two further back as well. But I just think they make the perfect match for this aluminium container. So this was a container that is very old actually, and we used to have it at work, and then it was never getting used, and basically I decided I could make better use of it. I think that's the thing, if you can use things, and it would probably just ended up going out or being removed or never being used basically. So let's have a little look. I do want to take your eye in as well, so taking a little marguerite quite close in is going to draw your eye in. So really an arrangement like this, because it's quite simple, you want to have some strong elements, you want to have nice balance, but you also want to add interest with things like depth. So we're getting the depth with this, we're taking your eye in to the centre, and that's what's going to make it interesting to actually have and to look at. Another good way of thinking is also, if you think about like a middle line, is it balanced across that middle line? If everything's over to this side, you really need something on that side to balance it. And we can do that with this little marguerite as well. Now we just need to draw him back a little bit, because we don't want you don't want things crisscrossing, and you don't want things touching each other neither, because then it tends to look a little bit not happy. So I think we can go right in here with another little marguerite. Now with the pins, things tend to sit up, and then as I say, you have to then draw them to where you want them. I've been looking at these marguerites for a while and thinking, I really want to use them. And today I just thought, if I don't do it now, they're actually going to have gone past a little bit. So here they are. Now, we have a bit of a gap here, and I'm just going to add another leaf into there. So really this is a front-facing arrangement, which would be ideal on a sideboard or in an entrance hall. And what you need to do is you just need to take your design and have a little look and see that you're happy. I think I would like that to go over a little bit. And actually maybe this one we could make just a little bit shorter. So I'm going to hold this while I remove that. And there we go. We've got a really simple arrangement showcasing these marguerites, but they've really been highlighted by what's in it. So as I say, this is a simple design, ideal for home use. Your pin holder you're going to be able to use again and again and again, and really you can take one type of flower and really showcase it to its best advantage. As I say, what I really like about this is the aluminium with this combination of white and silver, I think is a really good match. So hopefully I've inspired you to maybe make an arrangement for your own home. And yeah, just give it a go. It doesn't matter what you make, it's actually all about the process. So take your time, enjoy making your flowers and just working with them. It takes you away from all the other distractions in the world, and it's a great thing to do. So thank you for watching. We have a new video every week, and we'd love you to join us for our next design. Until then, take care, bye.